Once I get back here, now I can find my content only profile is available. When I select that, I can go ahead and save this as a plan. Saving the plan allows you to schedule your first replication. Even if you're using real-time replication, until you perform the first replication, nothing will replicate. So go ahead and give your plan a name and configure your schedule. When you add a schedule item, you can do a full replication or an incremental replication. You must perform a full replication for an incremental replication to work. We can select how often we want this to recur. So I'm going to set up full replication once a month on the first day of every month, and I'm going to go ahead and start this immediately. So this will be a valid replication schedule. Next, I want to add another schedule so that I can do an incremental replication. We're going to replicate modifications. That means we're only going to replicate content that has been modified. We are not going to replicate the deletions. I can, but I do not need to. I can specify a reference time. I can say, hey, you're going to do this every 1 minute for the content that's been changed in that past minute. I can schedule hours, days, etc. for recurrence, and I can say how often it's going to run, as well as specify the time period during which I want that running, and then the time range of the recurrence. And I'm just going to have that run every 1 hour. We're going to turn that off and OK. You cannot have your start time be in the past. Now I've got my replication schedule configured. I can go ahead and save and run now. This will perform the initial replication for the full replication that will start everything. So I have selected save and run now. So we are going to run a full replication immediately. Once this has started, we can go to the job monitor and we will be able to see that this job is going to start running in just a moment. After this job has finished running, we will be able to see that our content has replicated. And my replication job has finished. Here is my original collab portal. You can see here that my replication job has finished at 100%. It tells me that my items were successfully replicated. So here is my original library with all the files in it. And then here is the replicated from collaboration portal library. You can see I've got the same list of files in both places. And my replication is going to continue once an hour. Any files that are added to the collab portal will be replicated over to the library that we're replicating to. And that is how easy it is to create a replication profile and configuration and begin replicating content from one location in a farm to another or between two farms. Thank you.